2019 Hyundai Elantra. Customer complained that the car is not turning on. When trying to start it, it's only a clicking sound. So it sounds like the starter is faulty. So the next thing I'm gonna do before anything is I'm gonna check if the engine is spinning. So I'm gonna remove this wheel right here, and then I'm gonna have access to the crankshaft. So to make sure the engine is not locked. When you're having a starting problem, this is one thing I recommend to do. Spin your engine, make sure the engine's not locked before anything, before you give any answer to the customer. So that's what we're doing right now, especially with these Hyundais, that the engine tends to lag and stuff like that. But as we can see, the engine's rotating, so there's no problem there. All right, so let's continue with the diagnostic. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check the starter, which is under the intake manifold. I know for a fact it's getting power and buttons because I hear the actuation of the starter. But anyways, you want to confirm so to be 100% sure. So let's get in there and let's actually test it directly at the starter. All right, now underneath the car, we can see that the starter is located right there under the intake manifold. And you can see the positive cable right there. So let's measure voltage right there directly at that cable. We already purchased the new starter. All right, guys, we already finished installing the new starter motor. We already connect the ignition wire and the B cable. So now let's put the undercover and we finish with this job. Okay, now we finished replacing the starter. Now let's confirm the repair, make sure everything's working perfectly fine and the car is starting. So here we go. Perfect. All right, repair successful. We got the parking light brake on. The parking brake is engaged. All right.